Meaning of gherkin.
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 Gherkin. Gherkin is a term used to describe a small cucumber that is typically pickled in vinegar and spices. The term gherkin is believed to have originated from the Dutch word gherkin, which means small cucumber. These cucumbers are generally harvested when they are young and can be eaten either raw or pickled. They are often used in dishes such as salads, sandwiches, and hamburgers. Despite their small size, gherkins pack a punch of flavor and are a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world.